Today we will study more questions from arithmetic progression. Questions from third exercise, exercise 5.3. Question number 7. We did up to 6. So we will continue with the question number 7 today. Find the sum of first 22 times S22 equal to question mark. Sum of 22 times, in which D is 7, D equal to 7, and 22nd time, that is A22, is 149. So here in this question is find S22, that means N equal to 22. N equal to 22, S22 and A22. So N is there, D is there. AN formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is given, A22 is given as 149 equal to A plus N minus 1, 22 minus 1 into D. D is given as 7. So 149 equal to A plus 21 into 7. 149 equal to A plus 147. 149 minus 147 equal to A, that is A equal to 149 minus 147 is 2. Now we need a S22. Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That is N by 2. S22. 22 by 2 into 2A. 2 into A is 2 plus N minus 1. 22 minus 1 into D. D is 7. So it is becoming a direct question only. Cancel 11. 2 2s are 4 plus 21 into 7. 11 into 4 plus 147. That is 11 into 151. 11 into 141. 11 into 151, 151. 1661 is answer. So direct question. Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 times of an AP whose second time and third time are 14 and 18. Second time 14, that means A2. A2 equal to 14, that is A plus D equal to 14, equation number 1. Again return third time. Second and third times. Third time means A3 is equal to 18, A plus 2D equal to 18. That is equation number 2. Simply we can solve. Yeah, third minus second means we are getting directly A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is going to be D only. That means 18 minus 14, that is 4. D is 4. We can substitute in second time. Both are okay. Any of the method. Okay, D directly we can write, yeah, in this way. So solving A plus D equal to 14. Question number 1, subtraction D equal to 4 after subtraction. 2 minus 1. Yeah, this way, D 4. Now substitute, you will get A. After getting A and D, we can find the sum of 51 times. Direct question. Question number 9. Question number 9. If sum of 7 times of an AP is 49, sum of 7 times S7 equal to 49. Sn formula, Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So using this we will get one equation. S7 means 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to 49. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 7 by 2 will go there. 2A plus 6D is equal to 49 into divided by 2 is becoming into 2 divided by 7. 2a plus 6d equal to 14. Cutting is possible. A plus 3d equal to 7, equation number 1. Same thing from the second part, and that of 17 times, that means the sum of 17 times equal to 289. What is 17? 17 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 17 minus 1, n minus 1, 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These two will go there. 2a plus 16d equal to 289 into 2 divided by 17. 17 17s are 289. Now again cutting is possible. 2a plus 16d equal to 34. Cutting. A plus 8d equal to 17, equation number 2. So we have two equations. Linear equation, two variables, simply we can do. This is exactly like when A7 is given, A7 and A17 given. A7 given means 7th term given means A7 equal to 49. So A plus n minus 1 into d. So instead of giving 7th time, sum of 7 times are given. Sum of 7 times means Sn formula. Sum of 17 times, so Sn formula. Anyway, we are getting two equations which we know how to solve it. We can solve and get A and d. After getting A and d, find the sum of n times. Sum of n times means nth time, general time. I will show you anyway. A plus 3d equal to 7, equation number 1, simply copied. Subtraction, 2 minus 1. D equal to 10 minus 5, 10 upon 5, 2. Substitute. D equal to 2 in equation number 1. A plus 3 into 2 equal to 7. So we got A and D. A and D is A. Now question is the sum of n times. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 we don't know. N we don't know. So n by 2 into 2a means 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D stands for d is 2. That is n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2 if you are opening the bracket. 2n minus 2. 2 and minus 2 getting cancelled down. So it is becoming n by 2 into 2n. 2n in the bracket, but in the bracket only 2n is there. So now in bracket is not necessary. Cancelled. N into n is n square. What is the meaning of this? This is an expression for a sum of n times of this particular AP. For this particular AP, only for this AP. Only for this AP, Sn is going to be n square. That means 10 times if I am adding, it will be 10 square. That is 100. For this AP, if I am doing 5 numbers, 5 times it will be 25 answer. Because A and D already substituted in the formula. A and D is substituted. So only n is unknown. So 10 times means 10 square. 20 times means 20 square 400. I hope it is clear. So we can say in another way, this is a expression n square is the expression for sum of n times of this AP. Okay, so question can be in another way. Instead of saying find Sn, it can be written find the expression for sum of n times of this AP. Hope it is clear. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 10. Okay. What is question number 10? Show that A1, A2, A3, etc. form AP, where An is given as 3 plus 4n. This is An. An means expression for nth time. If I am substituting 1, so it becomes A1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. A1 means that is 3 plus 4, that is 7. A2 means 3 plus 4 into 2, 3 plus 8, 11. A3, 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 12, 15. So I am getting A1, A2, A3, that means I got AP. AP is 7, 11, 15, etc. Now what they are saying, is it an AP? So I cannot write AP here first. First I will write only series. Series is 7, 11, etc. Now the question is to check whether it is AP or not. So A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, 7, 11 minus 7, 4, A3 minus A2, 15 minus 11, 4. Therefore D is 4. Therefore it is an AP. It is an AP. Now we can write AP. AP is 7, 11, 15, etc. Okay, we need not write in between before checking it. So A1 is there, A2 is there, A3 is there, subtraction is done. It is an AP. Show that it is an AP. Also find the sum of first 15 times. So it is an AP. A is there as 7, D is 4, N equal to 15 times. Yes, 15 they are asking. Yes, 15 equal to question mark. Yes, 15. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into d. D is 4. That is 15 by 2 into 2 7s are 14 plus 14 into 4. 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56. That is 15 by 2 into 70. 35 into 15. 15 into 35 is 525. That is the answer. Second part exactly same. Simply substituting 1, 2, 3. A1 means 1 we have to substitute, 2 means A2, 3 means A3. So A1, A2, A3 is there. We can check whether it is AP or not. Question is to show that it is AP, so we have to show A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. We can do in mind also, but we have to show properly. They are asking to show. So since it is a difference is same, common difference 4, it is an AP. Now AP means normal formula. Second part you can do as your homework. Then we will go to question number 11. Yes. Question number 11. If the sum of n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, that is Sn is given as 4n minus n square. Sn is given. Expression for Sn as we did that question. Question number 9 we calculated, we got the some expression for Sn. So here Sn is given already. So we can simply find S1. S1 means the sum of one time, that is 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 minus 1, that is 3. S2 is 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that is 4 2s are 8 minus 4, that is 4. S3 means 4 into 3 minus 3 square, 12 minus 9. 3. So we got S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3 is ready now. Now what to do? For getting A1. A1 equal to one example. Suppose there is an AP 50, 60, 70. Yeah, simple one. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, this is an AP given. 10, 20, 30, AP given. Suppose it is given S1. What is S1? S1 means the sum of one time, that is 10 only. S2 means the sum of 2 times. Sum of 2 times means 10 plus 20, that is 30. Sum of 3 times S3. 30 plus 30, 60. S4 means what? 100. 4 times if you are adding. Suppose AP is missing, AP is not given. S1, S2, S3 is given. Can you say the opposite way? A1 is same as S1 only, 10 only, there is no doubt. Sum of 1 times, yeah, first time both are same. sum of first time, the sum of one time means first time only, 10 only. A2 needed, A2 means what? Sum of 2 times minus sum of 1 time. 2 times 30, 30 minus 20 means, 30 minus 10 means 20. A2 is S2 minus S1, sum of 2 times, that is 30 minus 10, 20. 30 minus 10 is going to be second time 20. Suppose I need A3, A3 means S3, 60 minus 30 is going to be that answer. One second. So A3 means S3 minus S2, meaning sum of 3 times 60, 60 minus 30, 60 minus 30 is going to be 30. So we are getting first time is same as S1 only, second time is S2 minus S1, means sum S1 is same as A1 same, A1 S1 same. A2 means S2 minus S1, 30 minus 10, 60 minus 40, another one, 100 minus 60, we will get A4 means S4 minus S3, 100 minus 60, 40. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So A1 is same as S1, same concept we are writing, A1 is same as S1 only, that means 3 only. A2 means S2 minus S1, S2 minus S1, S2, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. A3 needed means S3 minus S2, S3 minus S2, 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, so we are getting AP. AP is first time 3, second time 1, third time minus 1, etc. We have the AP. In the question, what they are writing? What is the first time? What is the sum of first time? What is second time? Similarly, find the third time, etc. And then end the time. Okay, so instead of going for first time, then sum of 1 time, etc., we did it directly. Sum of 1 time, sum of 2 times, sum of 3 times, then first time, second time, third time, AP also we got. Okay, so first time is already there, sum of 1 time also is there. Now they are asking third time also calculated A3 third time, that is A1 they are asking. So A1 is 3, answer we are writing once again. S1 they asked, S1 already we got as 3. Then they asked for A3, third time A3 they asked, so A3 we will write once again, that is minus 1. So answers are written again. Now they are asking find 10th time. 10th time means A10 means A plus 90, already we did A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus 90, A is 3 plus, what is D? 1 minus 3 minus 2. So A plus 9 into minus 2, 3 minus 18 minus 15, answer. Now they are asking nth time, an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus A is A1, 3 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? D is minus 2, that is 3, opening the bracket, minus 2n plus 2, that is 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2n is nth time. That means if I need a first time, I have to substitute here 5 minus 2 into 1, 5 minus 2, 3, that only. Second time means 5 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 into 2, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, second time. Third time means 5 minus 2 into 3, 5 minus 6, minus 1. Okay, so this is a general time for this particular AP, AN for this particular AP. I hope it is clear. Now question number 12. Question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. First 40 positive integers divisible by 6. First multiple of 6. 6, 12, 18, etc. They are saying, so first multiple of 6. First number divisible by 6 is 6. Multiple of 6 only. Second number divisible by 6. Second multiple. Third multiple. Now 40th multiple means 40 into 6. 240 it is going to be last one. So we have A, we have D, we have N means 40, L is also there. AN equal to L is also there as 240. A is 6, D is 12 minus 6, 6 only, N is there, AN, yeah, last time. Question is find sum of first 40, that means S40 they are asking. Direct formula. N by 2 into which formula? Small formula is now. S40 is equal to Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. This formula is enough. We can do it easily. Okay. So it is looking like a complicated, but after writing the AP, it is a direct one. N is there, last time is also there, so direct formula. You can complete as homework. 13th also same. 13th, sum of first 15 multiples of 8, 8, 16, etc. 8, 16, 24, etc. 15th multiple, 15 into 8. 15 into 8 is going to be 120. So, things are easy. Direct question. Question number 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Odd numbers between 0 and 50. First odd number 1, 3, 5, etc. That is last number 49. A is there as 1. D is 3 minus 1, that is 2. N equal to how many? 1, 3, 5, etc. N equal to 25, because half are odd, half are even. We know total 50 numbers. 25 will be even number, 25 will be odd number. So that is also there. Last time, AN equal to L equal to 49, last number. So we can find sum of all the numbers. Sum of all the number required sum equal to S 25 only we have to calculate. N by 2 into A plus L.